Imagine this. It's August 15, 1977, at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope. A machine is quietly listening to the cosmos. Suddenly, it picks up an incredibly strong, narrow-band radio signal. It lasts for just 72 seconds, coming from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. An astronomer named Jerry Eman, reviewing the computer printout days later, is so astonished by what he sees that he circles the data and writes one single word in the margin. Whoa! This wasn't just any signal. It was exactly the kind of signal we'd expect to receive from an intelligent alien civilization. And for over 4 decades, it has remained one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. What was the wow signal, and did we really hear from ET? The Big Ear Telescope was part of the SETI project, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It was designed to scan the skies for signals that stood out from the natural background noise of space. The wow signal was a standout. It was 30 times stronger than the average background radiation and was transmitted on a very specific frequency, around 1420 MHz. This frequency is known as the hydrogen line, and it's significant because hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Scientists theorize that any intelligent species trying to communicate across interstellar distances would likely use this cosmic water cooler frequency because it is so fundamental and universally recognizable. It's like a galactic dial tone everyone would know to check. The signal's characteristics were tantalizing. It appeared, got stronger, peaked, and then faded away over 72 seconds, exactly matching the pattern expected from a fixed celestial source passing through the telescope's narrow field of view. It was a perfect hello. The team at the Big Ear was ecstatic. They immediately pointed the telescope back to that same patch of sky, hoping to hear it again. They listened, and they heard nothing. For the next month, they scanned that region relentlessly, still silence. Other powerful telescopes around the world have also listened to that spot over the years. The signal has never been detected again, so what was it? The most exciting theory, of course, is that it was a deliberate message from an alien civilization. The signal's strength, its pinpoint frequency, and its duration all fit the profile of an artificial beacon. Maybe it was a powerful broadcast meant to announce their presence, a cosmic "we are here." But if it was, why did it only happen once? Why the 40+ years of silence since? This lack of repetition is the biggest argument against the alien hypothesis. A civilization advanced enough for interstellar communication would likely send a repeating signal to ensure it gets noticed. Over the years, scientists have proposed several natural explanations. Could it have been a signal from a secret military satellite or even a terrestrial broadcast bouncing off space debris? These were ruled out. The signal's frequency was in a protected spectrum, a band of radio waves internationally reserved for astronomical research, where earthly transmissions are forbidden. A more recent theory, proposed in 2017, suggested the signal could have come from the hydrogen clouds surrounding two comets that were passing through that region of space at the time. This idea gained some traction, but many in the scientific community pushed back, arguing that comets don't emit strong, narrow-band signals like the one detected. The debate rages on. Another possibility is an incredibly rare, one-off natural event we just don't understand yet, something like an interstellar scintillation where a faint, distant signal is briefly and dramatically magnified by gravitational lensing from an unseen object. It's a long shot, but in the vastness of space, even long shots can happen. Ultimately, the wow signal remains an anomaly, a single, baffling data point in our search for life beyond Earth. It's a 72-second cosmic ghost story that captures our imagination. It could have been the most profound discovery in human history, or it could have been a fluke of nature we may never fully comprehend. But the legacy of the wow signal is not one of failure. It's a powerful reminder that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. It fuels our curiosity and drives us to keep listening, to keep aiming our telescopes at the silent stars, hoping that one day we might hear another wow. And this time, we'll know for sure who's on the other end of the line. Thanks for watching. If you love mysteries of the cosmos like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. See you next time.